crafty friends, it's Melinda from mypapercrafting.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this project. It is a cute little little treat box with this adorable little puppy dog paper piecing, and it features the use of the Scrap Perfect Best Glue Ever to assemble my paper piecing and the little box. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so I have my various pieces cut out. I went ahead and chalked some of the edges just to give them a little dimension. Some of the cream colored ones and then the dark ones. And then I'm just going to use my Tombow pen to give the little coins some definition. And so I will play a little music as I go ahead and construct this project. And I'm going to be using my Scrap Perfect Best Ever glue with the no clog writing cap to assemble this, and then once I'm done, we'll come back. Okay, here's my finished project. I went ahead and put some little Hershey's Kisses in there and a little package of Oreo cookies, and the treats have some weight to them, and you can see that the Scrap Perfect glue just holds those sides together perfectly once the glue is set. So here's my sweet little puppy dog with her little pot of goodness. Again, the glue that I used was the Scrap Perfect glue, and that comes where you can purchase the no clog writing cap, and it's like the perfect tool because it, you know, as you saw earlier, I can just pull it out after not having used it for a week and just go ahead and go right to town. You don't have to worry about it clogging up because of the way this is. And you just go ahead and insert that back into the cap when you're done and twist it shut, and it will be ready for the next time. So I'll leave a link in the info section to where you can go and pick up that glue. I mean, it works amazing. I love that it's wet because it gives you time to adjust your things, especially when you're doing something like paper piecing or, you know, assembling something that, you know, gives you that time to be able to line things up and then let it set, and then it's good to go. So again, I'll leave links in the info section below where you can go pick that up, and I will leave a link to the Scrap Perfect blog post that corresponds with this project, so you can see some still photos and some more information on everything that I did there. So if you like the video, please take a moment to hit the like button and to subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. And until the next time, you have a wonderfully crafty day.